Hi there, students. Strenuous, an adjective. Strenuously, the adverb. And then strenuousness, the noun. Or even strenuosity, a noun. That's not actually one I'd heard before. Okay, if something is strenuous, it requires a great deal of effort, both either mental or physical, or a great deal of energy or exertion. So he had a strenuous workout at the gym. This is a very strenuous task. It's a very strenuous job he has. It's physically demanding or mentally demanding as well. And then we can also use strenuous to mean vigorously active, energetic, zealous. So he made the most strenuous efforts to make sure that everything was exactly right. He worked strenuously to ensure that everything was perfect. So strenuous, needing or using a lot of physical or mental effort or energy. He never does anything more strenuous than change the channels on the TV. You can exercise, but don't do anything too strenuous. That's what the doctor said. He made the most strenuous efforts to complete the project. Okay, so using a lot of energy. Let's see, I think maybe football is much more strenuous than cricket. Strenuously. To work hard. He worked strenuously. He denied strenuously that he had done this. I strenuously, strongly, with energy, urge you to do this. I strenuously recommend you don't buy that car, because if you do, you're going to regret it. Okay, so strenuous, having great vigour, energy, something forceful, or requiring great exertion, very laborious. Okay, so this is a very strenuous task. A strenuous workout would be good for you. Taxing, demanding, difficult, hard, tough. And then for this concept of strenuous efforts, tireless, zealous, strong, earnest. Persistent and eager. Okay, so I want you to make strenuous efforts to finish this on time. It was pretty strenuous walking up that hill because it was pretty steep. He strenuously denies doing anything wrong. Okay, so he vigorously active, fervently, he fervently denies. He's one of my most strenuous supporters, most zealous. A strenuous hike would be arduous and hard. And a strenuous task requiring a lot of energy. So, strenuous, I would give this a 5 in formality. This word you can use anywhere, informally or formally. And, this itself comes from Latin, strenuous, quick, so quickly. I can see how they're linked, but they're not closely linked, okay? So I strenuously recommend that you don't translate from your native language, and I strenuously recommend that you watch at least one of my videos every day. Okay, so strenuous, hard, strongly, ardent, energetic, laborious, zealous, vigorous. Okay, so there we go, strenuous. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Strenuous, strenuously.